our morning prenatal yoga series. For this video, you'll only need 2 blocks and a pillow or bolster. Let's get started. Come to sit on your bolster and bring both feet together. This is Prenatal. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. And inhale, scoop your arms out wide and up over your ears. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. And take your left hand to your left thigh. Take your right hand down to the floor. Take a full breath and lean onto your right hand as you push your left thigh away from you. And take a full breath in. And a full breath out. Lean your head back, chin away from the chest. Breathe into the space where your leg meets your trunk. Relax your jaw, breathing in and breathing out. And inhale, scoop your left arm up. As you exhale, slide it over to the right a little bit more. Try to lengthen your inner left knee away from your chest. And take another full breath in. And another full breath out. Inhale, press into your right hand, come up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, sweep your arms out wide enough. Exhale, palms to your heart. Lay your left hand down, take your right hand to your inner right thigh, and then lengthen your inner right thigh away from you. Lean onto the left a little bit more. Breathe into that space where your trunk meets your leg. And your chin up from your chest. Full breath in. Full breath out. And breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, scoop your right arm up. Exhale, suddenly over to the left. And lean your chin up on your chest, lean back. And then reach your inner right knee as far away from your right fingertips as you can. And your right fingertips as far away from your right kneecap as you can. Take another full breath in. And another full breath out. Press into your left hand, come back up. Exhale, palms to your heart. And use your hands to close your knees. And then come over to your hands and knees. You can definitely grab a pillow or a blanket for your knees if they're sensitive. Have your blocks at the top of your mat if you're using them. Take your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. Tuck your toes, lengthen your chest forward. Instead of focusing on the curve of your spine, you're trying to focus on lengthening your heart through your arms, past your thumbs. And as you exhale, untap your toes, press through the top of your feet, round your back. Inhale, tuck your toes, lengthen your chest. And exhale, round. And again, inhale, lengthen forward. And exhale, round. A few more like this, your time in that line. And if taking this linear cat-cow is not serving you, you can always modify or dance into circles, hip circles, body circles. And all these exercises are meant for you to wake up the body. So you can start your day with a little bit more space. At the end of your next exhalation, tuck your toes under, keep your back rounded, hover your knees off the ground, and then push your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Keeping your knees bent, press into your fingertips and your knuckles, take a full breath in, and then stick at your tongue, breathe out. Again, inhale. And then stick at your tongue, breathe out. Feel free to pedal through your feet. bending your left knee, extending your right heel to the floor. And then switch, bending your right knee, extending your left heel to the floor. Just like you're walking down the street with nowhere to go. And tap your knees to the floor. Take your blocks underneath your hands. Blocks are amazing at bringing the floor a little closer to you. Take your right leg forward. Let your pelvis go a little forward, and then magnetize your back knee and your front heel towards each other. You're gonna feel this action, this almost suction action underneath you, and take your hands to your front thigh. And take a full breath in. Aim your tailbone, lift the front of your pelvis up. Full breath out. Cross your right forearm to your right thigh, reach your left arm up. As you exhale, sliding over to the right. Again, inhale up. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. One more, inhale up. And exhale. Again, take your left hand down to your right thigh. Press both hands onto your front thigh. Roll the top of your shoulders back. Upright your chest. Try to get your shoulders over your hips, your brain over your heart, and then just tilt your chin down to your chest. And relax your jaw. You may feel a big stretch from your left kneecap to the middle of your left thigh. And up to the maybe left side of your hip. Just relax your jaw. If you feel wobbly, be with it. Maybe try to press the big toe on your right foot down a little bit more. And lift your head. Take your hands to your blocks and step your right foot back. Step your left foot forward. Magnetize your front heel and back knee together. And take your hands to your front thigh. Aim your tailbone down, lift the front of your pelvis up. Already you feel that stretch in the front of your right thigh. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Take your left forearm to your left thigh, reach your right arm up, breathe in. As you exhale, sliding over to the right. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Last time, inhale up. And exhale. Good. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. And then switch your right hand to your left thigh. Stack your palms on top of each other. Roll the top of your shoulders back. Breathe in. And then as you breathe out, tilt your chin to your chest. Just taking normal breath into the right side of your hip. Again, when your leg meets your trunk. If the bubbles come, be with them. Just press the big toe out of your left foot down just a little bit more. And one more. Lift your head above your heart. Take your hands to your blocks. Let them down. And take one more downward facing dog. Anywhere you want to get, any way you want to get there. See if maybe now you're able to take that space by pushing the middle of your thighs back. Letting your head relax, your jaw relax. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Tap your knees down to the floor, take your hands on your blocks, and then one at a time, just step your feet forward. So no matter which, take a little bit of space so your feet are a little wider than maybe distance wide. Take your hands on your blocks so the floor is away from you. You move your hips from side to side. And bend your knees, gaze forward. Take your hands to your thighs and press into your hands to come up to stand. Heel to your feet, baby distance wide, or maybe wider if you feel like it. Palms by your side. Inhale, switch your arms out wide and up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Interlace your fingers, flip your palms forward, breathe in, reach your arms up. Inhale, get longer from your outer heels to the heel of your palms. And then exhale, palms by your side. We'll do 3 more of these. Inhale, reach your arms up, widen up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Switch the interlace with the one finger. Flip your palms forward and up. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good again. Inhale, reach your arms up, widen up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Switch the interlace with the one finger. Flip your palms forward and up. Exhale, palms by your side. Last time. Inhale, up, widen up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Interlace your hands, reach your arms forward and up. Exhale, palms by your side. And bring your hand to your baby or babies, hands to your heart. If you know where your baby's back is, you can move your back up. Acknowledge the work that your baby is doing to grow every day. Acknowledge the work that you are doing to grow this baby every day. And acknowledge the work that it takes to do the work as a team for you to grow. Thank you so much for spending some time with me this morning. Have a great day.